Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Fab Fit Fun unboxing for the winter edition. So I have been doing Fab Fit Fun, I think this is my second year. Last year I went ahead and did the annual membership, and the benefits to that is you get to go on when it's time and you can actually pick and choose out of the different categories what you would like. What I like about it is a lot of times with subscription boxes, I'll end up getting too much of one skincare product or stuff that just doesn't work for me. So I like that with the annual membership, I'm able to customize it. And I just really like it. It just is so much good things for such a good value. And the first things I'm gonna go through is the actual add-on items. So right before you can customize your box, there's add-on items that you could add to it. And you just add it to your cart and that is it. They go ahead and bill you and then they ship it when your FabFitFun box is coming out. So I wanted to go through those really quick because you can get a lot of good deals. And a lot of times what I do is I will see something, think it's a good deal, and then I will go on Ulta, a Sephora, or Amazon and try to get a better value, see if it is a good value. And 9 times out of 10, the pricing that FabFitFun has is a better value. So I picked up some goodies. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I picked up for my add-on was these Wealthy Nutraceuticals, I don't even know how to say that. Rebuild grass-fed pasture-raised collagen powder. So it's supposed to help with your joints and your skin and all that stuff. So I do collagen powder every single day. It has made such a difference in my skin, especially my dryness. I feel like my fingernails are growing so much quicker and longer and stronger, as well as my hair. I'm growing out my pixies, so like anything that will help me grow my pixie out quicker, I'm all on board. But I can't remember how much. Yeah, it doesn't tell you how much you actually paid on here, so I'll put all the information down below in the description box. But I picked up 2 because I knew it was a good deal. So excited about that. So the next thing I picked up was this Pure Aurora hologram foil mask. I think these are so fun. I do them with my daughter. We'll have like little spa days and stuff like that. And I just like the special ones. Like you can get a plain sheet mask and the white ones and it's whatever, but I like the ones that are kind of cool and we'll take Instagram photos and all that stuff. So I went ahead and picked up these. Let me see. So it came with 3 different masks. This one is the Cosmic Shimmer, then the Karma Glitter, and then the Halo Glow. So it doesn't say, okay, so it looks like all of them are the same type of mask. They're just different like mask styles. So it says that it's a dual layer mask consisting of detoxifying charcoal backing and foil front, which acts as insulation and penetrates deep into the skin for maximum absorption. Clean beauty starts with Pure Aurora. So it's supposed to moisturize and revitalize skin. Super fun. Definitely will be sharing those on Instagram once I do that. The one thing that I do have to say about the FabFitFun is when I get it, I cannot remember. It's like Christmas or it's like your birthday, like you're getting surprises, because I can't remember, because I think it's been a month since I went ahead and did the customization and did the add-ons, and I can't remember what I picked. So it's like, oh yeah, I remember seeing this. This is exciting. So the next thing I got were these bubbly soaks for your feet. This one is in Cafe Macchiato, or 2 are in Cafe Macchiato, and then this one is in Raspberry Sherbet. So it's a Petty in a Box bubbly spa. It's got a bubbly soak, sugar scrub, bubbly mask, and massage butter. So I actually give myself pedicures. I do not go and get them professionally done, just because I'm super weird about feet and like them cutting my toenails down too much. It's a weird thing. I'm very weird. There's something about people touching your feet that is just weird to me, and I know I'm in the minority for that, but it is what it is. But so I thought these really cool because I could give myself, you know, kind of a amped up pedicure. And again, it's something that I could do with my daughter when we're sitting there watching a cheesy Christmas story or Christmas movie and give ourselves some bougie pedicures. So very excited about that. So the next thing that I picked up on the Addons were these Tula Skincare Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Masks. It looks like they're all the same. So I actually really like the Tula skincare line. I'm going to end up doing a video in the next month or so about some of the Tula products that I have personally tried and what I like about them, what I would recommend. So I definitely will make sure that these are included in that video. So if you're interested in the Tula products, not sure about them, definitely stay tuned for that video. But It's just a skincare brand that I really like. They get really good reviews. This one says that it has probiotics, Utu Cola. I don't know what that is. It says it's an herb that helps improve the look of elasticity, grapefruit and chamomile. So it helps to soothe redness. So just again, fun little skincare mask, but definitely stay tuned for a future video trying these out. Next is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. So I actually have gone through 2 tub things of the goat milk moisturizer, and I really, really like it. It definitely, if you're somebody who has redness or kind of like very sensitive skin, definitely recommend trying that out. It's not the greatest. I hope that it would be better with my dry skin as far as preventing dry skin. It's not the greatest in that. But if you are somebody who has sensitive skin and very red skin, it is so cooling and it feels so good when you put it on. But I wanted to try the milk cleanser because I do have very dry, red, sensitive skin. And I just thought that this would go really, really well with it. So stay tuned for that, but I'm looking forward to, and I'm actually just out of my Tula skincare wash or face wash. So this is perfect. I can start using this like tomorrow. Okay, so this is the huge box. It seems like it's bigger than the previous boxes. So I'm really excited to remember what I picked out. One thing I do want to mention, if you ever, like, these are just awesome birthday gifts or even Christmas gifts. Let me show you. I mean, it comes like this and it has all the stuff in it. And it always comes with this really cute little pamphlet. It always comes with other little goodies or whatever, but it's just so pretty. It's definitely, if you are looking for a gift, a Christmas gift for somebody, and you're not sure what to get them, definitely get them a box of the Fab Fit Fun, because it's just, it's so unique, and they could just get little goodies and stuff like that, and they're sure to get something that they like in this. So definitely recommend it as a Christmas gift. So I'm just gonna jump in. Looks like there's a little sticker here. They always have these little wine things. I'm trying to lose weight, so I'm trying not to do anything with wine. They have, and then they have, a lot of times they have like a little coupons for the stuff that's in this product. This one's HBO Max, blah. This one is $15 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. I will put this below. If you guys are interested in it, it does give you off $15. It's $34.99 is the price of the box, and there's over $200 worth of stuff. And once you see, when I go through, you will see how much stuff is in here and what a great deal you're getting. The other thing is there's 30% off vitamins. So, customizable vitamins, and then some money off for HelloFresh. So again, they always have little coupons in here. To be honest, usually don't use them. And then they have a pamphlet in here. And what I like about the pamphlet is it has all the, regular, magazine-y stuff, but then it goes through the different categories. It tells you exactly what the price is. And what you do, if you get the annual subscription, they have all members, select members, and then Fab Fit Fun's picks. So when you go to make your customization, if you are an annual subscription member, you get to pick out of the all members category. You can pick from customizations 1 through 3, and then you also get the select member stuff. So for example, in this first category, these are all the different things that I could pick from. So I don't even remember what the heck I got, I think I got the robe. So this one is, let's see, this is a Summer and Rose cozy robe. So I got this because it's super, super cozy, but it's also short. Sometimes with the long ones, they get caught in stuff and all that stuff. So I liked it was super, super short. Because the problem I have too is I get cold even in the summertime. My husband likes to turn down the air. So I was looking for something that I could actually wear in the summer. And this feels so good. It is so soft. It feels like a blanket. So I'm very, very excited about that. And that robe retails for $70. So it says cuddle up in this fuzzy robe with features, which features front pockets, which is cool. I love pockets. Anything with pockets, I'm a pocket person. So here's the second customization, all the stuff that I could have picked. And I ended up getting these super cute Lily Pulitzer mugs. I love coffee mugs. I am a sucker for coffee mugs. I know these are gonna be a little bit smaller than my standard ones, but I just thought they were so cute. this is not something that I would buy myself. You know, I would see it at the store like Macy's or Nordstrom or whatever, and I just wouldn't buy it myself. And that's what's fun about these boxes. It's not necessarily stuff that you would normally purchase, but this is 10% off my next purchase. So that is super, super cool. Oh, they're bigger than what I thought they were gonna be. So this is what they look like, and it has Lily's signature right here, and they're actually decent size. Very, very cool. I'm very, very excited about that. I love her patterns. I think her patterns are so cool. And especially coming from Florida, I am like all about the bright patterns, and I even rock them here in Texas. It doesn't matter, but I just love how pretty and fun and tropical and happy they are. But I am especially surprised. I thought they were going to be a little bit smaller, but I'm pleasantly surprised that they're actually bigger, because I was hoping that they were going to be a decent size. So very excited. So those retailed for $42. So this is the next section that I got to pick from, and I honestly have no idea recall what I picked. Going along with the Tula theme, so I will make sure that this is my future video trying out the Tula skincare line, but this is the Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So this little bad boy says, energize and awaken the under eye area, or use it as a highlighter on your cheekbones and cupid bowls for an instant glow. So let me, okay. So it definitely has some cooling, but I don't honestly see, I already have some highlighter on. I think it doesn't have any color that I can see. I mean, if it is, it's the same color as my skin tone. So if you have darker skin tone, this might actually show up on your skin, but for me, it does not. I do feel like a cooling sensation, and it's not super sticky, but even when the stickiness is going away, I still feel that cooling, kind of cooling sensation. So we'll see. Definitely excited about that. This thing retails for $30. Okay, so here's the next section that I was able to customize. And I don't know what I got. Let's see. Oh, and just to let you guys know, I did in the past end up getting, like, they gave me something that I didn't order, because I remember specifically ordering it, and the customer service was super, super easy. They let me keep the item, and then they shipped out the item that I actually had ordered or selected, so which was really, really cool. So I was very happy with that. But this is what I ended up getting. This is Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. A silky smooth formula blends seamlessly under the skin for a gorgeous flush of color. This retails for $27.50. I'll be honest with you, I've never heard this brand before. So it kind of has like elf packaging. Like, it's not super just plastic. It's not super expensive feeling, but it actually kind of reminds me a little bit of like NARS Orgasm blush. It's got that pinky kind of orangey thing, but it's not ugly. It's definitely very, very pretty. And it's got a little bit of sheen to it. So I think definitely, oh yeah, it definitely has a sheen. So when you buff it out, you can see, so it's something that you can use for a blush, but then also you can get away with a highlighter because it's got that sheen. So the other thing that I got in this section was the scrunchies. So these are little leopard scrunchies. Again, as you can tell, I hope one day have my hair grown out so I can actually wear scrunchies again. But I like these because they had the fabric. And so I definitely am all about the fabric, the old school, like 90s scrunchies, because they are much, much better for your hair. These little bad boys retail for $25. So I thought they were cute. The next thing I got was the Wish Lip Scrub Vanilla Beam. Gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. Definitely can't have enough lip scrubs. I love, love, love lip scrubs, especially in the winter time. My lips are super, super dry, so I do them on the regular. This one retails for $20. So, oh, and it's got this little applicator thing, so it's super easy. Yeah, it smells like vanilla. It smells very good. Like, I want to eat it. Okay, so the next thing I got in the box were these Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. So they brighten, hydrate, and depuff. They're ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag, and pre-prep party makeup. So these retail for $25. So you can never have enough eye pads or eye little things or whatever. So definitely excited about these here. So this Laura Geller one, palette. This is the Cinnamon and Spice. Where did my little booklet go? So this is the Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette. 12 crease proof shades. This retails for $45. This is really, really pretty. I'm excited about this. So those are just really kind of neutral colors, very warm tones. There's a couple looks like a little cool tones in there, but definitely has a big mirror. So perfect, you could do it. I actually might do this for my eyelash extensions because this mirror is super, super cool. But really excited about playing with those. I think that's really cool. So last but not least, there was a Kind bar thrown in here. These are the Thins, the dark chocolate. If you've never tried Kind bars, oh, they're so good. This bad boy is only 90 calories, so they must come in little, because I thought the bigger ones weren't too much more. But I cannot have these. Oh, maybe I can. Yeah. It's got 8 carbs in it. I'm on keto, so this will not work, but my daughter will love it in her snack. So perfect. Well, that was it. That was my Fab Fit Fun Winter Edition unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Again, if you have never tried this, I will put that little link in below that you can do that coupon code. It's not linked to me, so I don't get any kickback for it, but I honestly and truly have been doing these boxes for a while now, and I really, really like them. I love the fact, especially with the annual membership, that I can customize it. I can get exactly what I want. And again, it's not stuff that I need. This is not like you need this in your life. This is a good, feel good, I want to get a little special kind of thing. And again, like the cup, the mugs, I would never purchase that for myself. That's just not something that I would normally do. But I love this little thing because I feel like I'm getting every quarter, I'm getting a surprise, I'm getting a present. And then when I go to customize it, by the time I get it, I can't even remember what I got. So I'm like super excited another time around. So like I said, Christmas, birthdays, definitely a great idea, but even just for you, can't say enough good things about Fab Fit Fun. Put all the details below, but definitely I would recommend the annual membership so you can get that customization. You get so many good products, and it kind of gets you out of your comfort zone, allows you to try products that you don't normally or wouldn't normally pick up, and help you experience other brands and products and stuff like that. So can't say enough good things. Definitely check them out. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. But until next time, bye.